Running around in circles with that.
Our Chance is so tired he just doesn't care anymore. He's like, I'll let that little one get me now.
I can't believe he's doing that.
I'm too tired to care. I'm too
Chance,
tired.
you're out of shape, huh?
Too tired to care.
away,
Watch out, Aiden. He's just not caring right now. Oh, how cute. Looks like he's hugging him. Oh, jeez, don't move. Oh! Chase has a second wind. Oh. Put a tongue in your mouth. Cute.
I wish I could get my legs out of the way, you guys.
Oh, he's chewing on his collar, I think.
That's his ear.
Yep.
Where's Bryce?
He's upstairs.
Cameron, where's Bryce? Where?
I heard him. He's up there.
Yeah, no.
Well, I mean, it's good when you take him. Oh, I'm sure Sadie probably gets all bent.
Right. I think her feelings got hurt. We let them both go out and get the paper. Just to find something that's important.